In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove line breaks in Google Spreadsheet. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by text in your spreadsheets appearing too fragmented because of line breaks, this step-by-step guide will help you clean things up efficiently. To get started, open up your Google Sheets document. Navigate to the Google Sheets website and select the spreadsheet you want to work on. Once you have your spreadsheet open, direct your attention to cell D1. Simply click on this cell to select it. This is where we will focus our efforts for this demonstration, but keep in mind that the following steps can be applied to any cell or range of cells in your spreadsheet. Next, look toward the top of your screen and find the menu bar, where you'll see various options. Click on the option labeled Edit. This will produce a drop-down menu with several different commands. From this list, select Find and Replace. This tool is crucial for our task today, as it allows us to search for specific characters and replace them with others. Once you click Find and Replace, a dialog box will appear. In the text field labeled Find, type in the characters +n. This is a special code that represents a line break. Typing this in tells Google Sheets to search through the selected text for instances where line breaks have disrupted your data. Now move on to the Replace with Text field in the same dialog box. Here, type a space followed by a comma. This action instructs Google Sheets to replace each line break with a space and a comma, effectively streamlining your text into a more unified and readable format. Before proceeding, make sure to check the box labeled Search using regular expressions. Regular expressions, or regex, are powerful tools that allow you to identify patterns within text. By checking this box, you ensure that Google Sheets understands +n as a line break and treats it accordingly. With everything in place, it's time to execute the replacements. Click on the Replace All button within the Find and Replace dialog. This action will automatically search through your selected data and apply the changes, removing line breaks and replacing them with your specified format. Once all replacements have been made, simply click Done to close the dialog box. Your spreadsheet should now look much cleaner, with all those pesky line breaks efficiently removed. By following these steps, you've taken control of your data presentation, making it easier to read and analyze. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to remove line breaks in Google Sheets. This quick and efficient method can save you a significant amount of time and keep your data neat and organized for better insights and presentations. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.